I have squash growing everywhere. Oh, y'all looking good, looking good. Okay, squash, come on. Come on, squash. Have a lot of spaghetti squash growing. Okay, look at here. Look at my straight neck squash. Or is it called crooked neck squash? I don't forget what it's called. I know I just have a lot of yellow squash growing here. Okay, look at y'all. Come on, squash. Come on, squash. Come on, squash. Continue to grow. Look at you right there. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, I see a little one coming now. Okay, squash. Oh, look at all those beautiful flowers. Beautiful yellow flowers blooming there. Okay, squash, y'all looking great. Yes, you are. I think I may need to go ahead and harvest you. Have to check and see how big I need to let you get before I harvest you. Because you're turning real yellow now. See, that one is still green. It's getting big. Look at this one over here. Okay, squash. I'm so excited. Yes, I